In this lesson, we will go over how to change from a G major to a D major. If you are not familiar with these chords, make sure to review our video on 7 basic guitar chords. When playing any progression, especially when you are just beginning to learn, it is important to look at the chords involved to see if there are any similarities between them. This ensures that you move from chord to chord in the most efficient manner. Taking a closer look at G major and D major, we notice both chords have nothing in common with each other finger-wise, regardless of what form of G major we use. Either is correct, but using this form of G major might be easier for some beginners, because our fourth finger is not needed. With that said, you should try to learn both ways. Versatility is an important trait to develop as a musician. Now let's take a look at both changes. We begin on G major, then move into position for D major. We then reverse the process to return to G major. We can also start on this form of G major, move to D major, then reverse the process to return to G major. Whichever form you choose, try to move all your fingers at once to the next chord, instead of one finger at a time. This may be difficult at first, but is a necessary step in learning the instrument. Now let's practice this change while strumming with a beat. For this first exercise, we will simply strum down on every beat, changing chords every 2 4 counts. In other words, you will strum the chord 8 times, then switch. You will receive a 4 count in, and we will repeat the progression 4 times. Now let's play the progression using our basic strumming pattern number 1. If you are unfamiliar with the pattern, click the video icon for a review. We will play the pattern twice on each chord. You will receive a 4 count in, and we will repeat the progression 4 times. In this video, we played the progression at 50 BPM, which is short for beats per minute. Once you feel comfortable playing the progression at this speed, gradually start to pick up the pace while playing with a metronome. Raising the metronome in increments of 5 BPM will ensure you maintain accuracy as you begin to play faster. If you would like to move on to another progression, click one of the on-screen video icons.